Well, the summer months are a chance to check off that honey-do list.
Yes, Danny Lipford, National Home Improvement Expert and host of today's Homeowners, joins us live from Mobile, Alabama. And we always love the quick solutions that you bring us to keep our house. And we're this time talking about summer ready. So what are some things people can do around the house to keep their homes cooler, Danny?
Well, one thing, when you have these bright sunny days, close your blinds or curtains so that you're not getting any of that heat gain that the sun's going to provide you inside. Then at night you can open them back up if you want. Also, make sure you seal the envelope of the home, just as much caulking and sealing as you can. It might not seem like it would make much of a difference with a tiny crack here and there. You put them all together, you've made a big, big difference. Also, ceiling fans on the inside of your home. Counterclockwise is where you want those things to be turning right now. And if you're not in the room, turn them off. It's not doing you any good in cooling your home if you're not there being able to take care of it. Also, another little small thing, your air conditioning condenser unit outside, make sure you trim any of the vegetation around it because it needs to breathe. And speaking of breathing, to help your family have a better indoor air quality, change your air filter on a regular basis, but not those cheap ones in the grocery store that cost $2 or $3. They do no good at all. You need an electrostatic filter. You'll only need to change it about every 3 months. It really makes a difference, especially when you think that all of the air in your home in a properly working air conditioning heating system goes through your filter 2 to 3 times per hour. You'll see how important it is.
Interesting. And I don't think I change mine that often, so I need to step that up. Yeah. Let's talk about summer maintenance. If you want to paint the outside of your house, what kind of paint should you use?
Well, certainly you, hopefully spring cleaning, you were able to do a lot of the cleaning outside, but if not, it's not too late. And so anything that you have, like we have a little bit of mildew on this particular house and could use a little more cleaning on the handrails. Oxygen bleach, not chlorine bleach, is the way to go. Much more environmentally friendly and easier to use. Also, if you see any peeling paint at all, now's the time to attack it because it's not going to get any better. It's only going to get worse, and it's very easy to touch up a lot of these areas at this time. And also something you might not think about, needing a little repair, concrete. If you have a few cracks around your concrete driveway or sidewalk like this, you can use a concrete repair caulk, fill it in, and the reason this is important is because the water won't get under the concrete, causing some undermining. So you might not think of this as summer maintenance, but this is a great time to take care of your sidewalks.
Danny,
you make it look so easy.
I know.
Like I want to get out there and start an improvement.
No, it's like, oh, that's all I have to do. Great. Yeah.